guys, JaiyCee here again today, and I thought I'd do something a little different. Instead of gardening in my yard, I thought I would bring you along to one of my favorite nurseries. So for those of you that are local near the Brandon, Florida area, please check this nursery out, as it always has a great selection of plants all year round. And with winter pretty much gone here in Florida and spring slowly approaching, I thought I would pick up some plants in anticipation of spring, since it's less than 30 days away. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm done shopping, and as you can see, I picked up a tree. It's called a tababuya tree. I'll throw up a photo for you so that way you can see what it actually looks like when it's in full bloom. It's really beautiful. It throws off some really gorgeous yellow flowers, and I just can't wait to get this planted in my yard. I also picked up a succulent called bear paw. It has bright green leaves, and when left in the sun, the margins of the leaves will turn a reddish brown color. And as you can see, the leaves of this plant really resembles a claw of a bear. And the last thing I picked up was a prayer plant. They get its name for its unique habit of raising their leaves to an upright position at nighttime. The leaves fold up together like hands during prayer, hence prayer plant. There are over 40 different varieties of prayer plants, and they make excellent houseplants. Well, there you have it, guys, and as always, thanks again for watching, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. The links are down below. And if you guys are local and know of a great nursery near you, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to see where you shop, and thanks again for watching. All buckled up and ready to go.